Hello, welcome to Food Lair. Today, we're going to do a pecan pie. Let's get started. This pecan pie recipe starts with 3 eggs. Also, you want half a cup of sugar, granulated. Don't forget 3 tablespoons of butter, and we'll go ahead and melt that. For this recipe, we're going to be using dark corn syrup. Yes, you can use anything you want, but for this one, we're going to use dark corn syrup. We're going to use 1 cup of dark corn syrup. And then added some ground cinnamon. Set that down right there. It's a 1/4 teaspoon, or up to 3/4 teaspoon maybe. We're going to slide 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Then we get our mixing bowl and add everything in. First, we add our eggs. Then we add the sugar and the melted butter. And finally, the corn syrup. Don't forget the vanilla extract and the cinnamon powder. And you mix them all together. Until you get the good consistency. Then you take a frozen pie crust and fill it. You can use store-bought chopped pecans, or you can chop them up yourself. But you want to layer on the bottom of the frozen pie crust of pecans. Then your mixture, your filling, goes right on top, nice and evenly. Make sure it gets nice and even. For a little bit of added crunch, we can add pecan halves, the larger pieces. You want to give them a nice coating, so get them nice and bathed in this. There we go. Now you're going to want to bake it for 350 degrees. Get it nice and preheated. And set it in there for 50 minutes. Yes, close to an hour. And after 25 minutes, you're going to want to put tinfoil around the pie crust so that you don't get a burnt pie crust. You want to go ahead and brown it for 25 minutes, but then the second half, put tinfoil around it. Don't forget to take it out halfway through and put tinfoil around the edge so that you don't burn the pie crust. Went ahead and did the tinfoil in the right shape. Go ahead and put that like that. And the other two on the sides. Be careful not to burn yourself in the process of making this little art project happen. Just keep on sliding. There we go. That should protect the pie crust from getting all burnt. And then you can go back in for another 25 minutes. And it is almost done. Alright, pecan pie is out of the oven. And it is looking good. Ah, smells even better. Alright, we're going to let this cool down for a couple of minutes. While this is cooling down, leave a comment down below and tell me what you would put on top. I'm going for whipped cream. Also, if you're new here, subscribe, like, hit all the buttons. And definitely leave a comment and tell me that you've subscribed. And I'll reply to you. Alright, let's cut a slice of this. Still a little warm. Alright, we got the pecan pie out of the oven and it looks great. Let's go ahead and cut a piece. Gooey goodness. Right up. Whew. Good. All right. All right. Got my fork. Ready to dig in. You can either wait till it's cooled off or just dig right in. Welcome to the food layer. While I'm finishing this off, go ahead and leave a comment. Subscribe, like, hit all the buttons. I'm going to go ahead and finish this off. Check out the next video.